This is a 3 carat weight total lab diamond tennis bracelet from James Allen. This cost me $2,300 or $1,725 on their current sale. Link down in the video description. Today I want to show you everything that comes in the box, and I want to show you what it looks like in real life in a variety of lighting conditions. Now, when you receive this, it will be in a very incognito cardboard box. You will have to sign for it. And inside, you're going to find the beautiful box wrapped in a nice little protective sleeve. When you pull that off, you can see the nice James Allen embossed logo there on the top. So very good presentation, very impressive. And if you look on the front here, we have a little magnetic door with a pull tab. We'll go ahead and open that up, and that reveals the inside. Now, up on the top, we do have the bracelet itself, but let's check out the drawer underneath real quick and take a look at what's included. You do have a little James Allen cleaning cloth, which is really nice that they include that. And then you have all of your paperwork that comes with your purchase. So in here, you're going to find a couple of things. You're going to find your receipt with your total and all your personal information on it. You're going to find your quality assurance paper there. You're going to have a little piece of paper here about lab diamonds and thank you for your purchase. And then you're going to have your lifetime warranty. So very cool that they include all that kind of stuff, but let's get to the good stuff, which is the actual bracelet itself. Now, typically there's a little cardboard cutout that holds the actual jewelry box, but here it actually came in a bubble wrapped envelope with the little James Allen logo on the front. And if we go ahead and open the box, it reveals the 3 carat weight total lab diamond tennis bracelet. So let's go ahead and get this bracelet in a variety of lighting conditions and lenses to really see what it looks like in real life. So this first shot, this is in some indoor lighting and some LED light, and you can see that the diamonds are sparkling like crazy. One of the things I did want to show you is the clasp system. So the first one, when you stick it in, you actually feel a click, and there's already a secure connection, but then there's an extra layer of protection there with the little clip there on the bottom. So it's really fastened twice. So it felt to be a very secure connection, and I had no problems with it whatsoever. Very easy to use. As you can see, this is a little bit of a warmer light, something you would see like in a restaurant, and you can see that the diamonds are coming alive like crazy. This is with that macro lens. We can really get up close and personal with the diamonds and see all the little details of them, which I think is very, very cool. This is in some outdoor lighting with that same macro lens, and you can see how the diamonds start to change a little bit with that outdoor lighting, and they look fantastic. I will say that the best performance that I saw out of these diamonds was definitely in the outdoor lighting. It's really when they came alive, and you can see here when it's on my fiance's hand, very, very sparkly. I think the 3 carat weight total is a very nice size. Even my dog thinks so. As you can see, he's coming in on the shot there. But it's a very, very nice size. It looks petite on my fiance's hand, but it's still very flashy and very nice. So guys, if you want to check out this tennis bracelet on James Allen's website, I will have a link down in the video description. So click on that link and you can view it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you enjoyed it, all we ask is to smash that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Take care and good luck on your tennis bracelet shopping.